Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So I have a video by Bennett right here that I'm going to talk about to you guys because I just want you guys to be warned that to not listen to this video for the CRO migration. He does talk about how to use the CRO migration tool for DeFi, the DeFi wallet, and it definitely is a DeFi wallet tutorial for how to do it, but the way he explains it is completely incorrect, and the way he explained it made people pay a 200 CRO fee, which is around like 40 bucks. And he basically explained to click receive and I guess copy the ERC20 CRO address, and then he said if you have any CRO on the app to click transfer CRO and click withdraw, and he said to do ERC20. So as you can see, it sends CRO to crypto.com DeFi wallet ERC20. That is completely incorrect. You do not want to send ERC20. In the tutorial that I made for this CRO migration, you actually want to do send CRO to crypto.com's DeFi wallet of not ERC20, but of the CRO chain. So definitely do not send ERC20. That's completely the incorrect way to do it. And so he kind of was like, oh, it's annoying, you have to pay a 200 CRO fee. And he's saying how you have to then pay even more fees because you have to not only pay 200 CRO fee for the migration from the app to the DeFi wallet, but also he explained how once you receive it in the DeFi wallet, then you would click on the CRO migration tool right here. And you only want to use this CRO migration tool right here if you have ERC20 CRO on the DeFi wallet already. Then it could be used for it. But then he explains how he needs all this Ethereum, estimated network fee 0.016 Ethereum. And if you go to CoinGecko, I mean, well, let's see the 200 CRO fee. So he's saying 40 bucks, right? And then, so that's $40. And I think it was 0.01. So it's like $17, 0.01. Yeah, so 6, 8. So it's like 30 bucks plus 40. So it's like 40, 70 bucks. And he basically said on average or whatever, it can cost like $100 to do the migration. And that's totally incorrect. You do not want to be doing it this way. As we can see, he had CRO right here in his app. And so you can either do external wallet or crypto.com DeFi wallet. Either way works. You just need to go into your DeFi wallet, click receive on the crypto.org coin, and copy the CRO address, not the ERC20, but the CRO one. And then you can paste it in your send address and make sure you click on CRO as well. I showed this in my tutorial on YouTube, and I'll go to it right now to show you guys. Okay, so in my video, I send 230 CRO from the CRO wallet to, as we can see, it's CRO at the beginning. The network type is crypto.com chain, and the fee is 0.001. That is ERC20 CRO going to the DeFi wallet, automatically being migrated to the CRO chain for less than half a penny. So the way he's explaining it, it's going to cost you like 70 bucks to 100 bucks. With the way I explained it, it's going to cost you less than half a penny, and it's way easier the way I explained it as well, because he's explaining using the DeFi migration tool, which you do not have to use unless you already had ERC20 CRO in the DeFi wallet. And we can also see the network type is ERC20. You do not want to send ERC20 over, because if you're trying to migrate, you want to send your CRO from the exchange or from the app over to the crypto.com chain like this, and then you will receive it in your DeFi wallet. I thumbs this down because he's explaining an incorrect way for people to do it. I understand if he just simply explained for people who already have CRO on their DeFi wallet, but as we can see in this tutorial, he's telling people to send from their crypto app over to the DeFi wallet with ERC20 and pay a 200 CRO fee, and then use even more Ethereum right here to do the migration right here, which is incorrect. This is going to waste a lot of people's money by doing this. So I know he made this tutorial. I'm sure he did not mean to make this mistake. So he did go from being like bullish on crypto.com to more bullish on Celsius, but I do not think he was trying to spread any FUD or do anything bad towards crypto.com, especially because I don't think he wants to screw over his own subscribers or anything like that. And the way he did it, it definitely will screw over the people who watched this video and followed his tutorial, because the way he did it costed way too much fees. So be sure to watch my video and do it the correct way, especially because you do not want to send CRO from the app over to the DeFi wallet within fully ERC20. That is not the correct way to do it. And in the beginning, he said he was going to explain why not everyone should do the migration because it's going to cost so much. But that's not true at all. It's still, the way he did it was incorrect, which then costed him a lot of CRO and money. And in this video in the beginning, he even kind of explained the crypto.com app and exchange. Like he said, there's different ways to do it. And he decided to do the DeFi wallet user, but he used the crypto.com app, so he should have been doing this one. This is for people who already have CRO within their DeFi wallet. This is for if your CROs started in the app and then had to do it. Your ERC20 CRO will be automatically converted to native CRO when you withdraw, which is completely true. It is. You just have to click on CRO. Within my video, I can actually show you where this is clicked. When you send CRO to the crypto.com wallet, you can do, or to like the DeFi wallet, you can do ERC20 or CRO. And so you want to click CRO, and then you'll send your ERC20 to the CRO chain, and it'll automatically convert when you withdraw it like this. And then obviously you can see the fee to do it was only 0.001 CRO. So just wanted to give this warning to you guys. For anyone who watched Aaron Bennett's video, do not do it the way he explained it. And so I wanted to let you guys know that. Just make sure to do it the way I explained it in my tutorial. Right now, he does have less views than my video. My video has 5,000 and his has 1,000. Although he just uploaded it today, a few hours ago, and I uploaded this like a few days ago. So hopefully his video doesn't gain more traction than mine, because if it does, a lot of people are going to be losing out money by doing it the way he explained it, which is completely the incorrect way to do it. I left a comment to him. I might reach out to him on Twitter and let him know this so he can fix the issue and possibly delete the video and redo it or something like that. I just don't think it's good that this video is out there, because it's screwing a lot of people over, making them lose money. I don't think that was his intentions or anything like that, but just wanted to let you guys know. And if he does delete this video and everything like that, I'm most likely going to delete this video as well. But as long as his video is out, I will need mine to be out there to warn you guys. Hopefully this video is helpful. Hopefully you found this one before watching his and everything, because, you know, his costs way too much to do it the way he explained it. And I'll see you guys later in my next video.